Hello everyone, this is second session in Mechatronic project. Today we will deal with drawing parts, then assemble them on SolidWorks, and for that we'll choose 3 wheels Omni robot as shown in this image. First we'll draw the base part. It's called hexagonal part. From this plane, normal to sketch. We'll use center polygon of 6. We can make this side of 50. $100. To make the sketch fully defined, choose origin, face control, select midpoint, and make vertical. Exit sketch. Now to make it 3D, extrude 100 milli. Second step we will doing a shape. We'll choose this face. Thickness of shell will be diameter. Show preview to make it hollow from inside. For now, this is part 1. We'll make these holes for these keys. For these holes, we'll choose this face, normal to, right click, sketch. We want to make a center line from that. Be sure it's vertical. Another center line we'll choose to be midpoint. Small dimension, side 70. This is 50. 2 circles. Select this circle, hold control, and the circle, make them equal. 520. Make another 2 circles here and here. From this point to the point 27, and the height between these circles to be 25. From the base 25. Select these circles, make them equal. Let the circle be 515. To make this sketch to be fully defined, select these 2 points and make them vertical. Exit sketch. We're now making extrude cut. Up to next, we'll choose up to surface to select the surface, and now we make our holes. To make holes for motors and for the wheel, choose the surface, sketch on it, draw a circle, small dimension, 5 let this distance to be 20. Choose these 2 points and making horizontal. Now we make the hole. Choose a sketch, choose a surface, We will not repeat this hole again. We'll use a feature called circular pattern, but first we need to draw a center line or a path to make this pattern. We choose this top plane, sketch, draw any center line, check vertical, exit sketch, choose this feature circular pattern. We want the path to be about that line. Do the circular pattern again, choose extrude, circular pattern, we will select this draw in center line to rotate about this axis. Our angle is 360. We want 3 holes. Now we made holes for motor and the wheels to be inserted in. This is part 1. We make it isometric. We finish this part. Now for the second part, or the plate, the upper plate, we will draw from the front plane, sketch, choose hexagonal objects, sides, (150). Make this point and the midpoint to be vertical. For now, we use fillet of 80. We choose this side, the side. Choose this and that line. I misselect these lines. Trade again. That line. And this line. To make the sketch fully defined, we'll add some relations. Exit sketch. We'll make extrude 10. Make this face normal. Sketch on that face. We'll select this face and make convert images to convert it to these lines to 2D drawing. Select all this line. Make offset of 10. Reverse. Now connect these lines, this point to that point, and so on. Use trim. To delete any extra size. We made 3 closed region. Exit, extrude cut through all. We now finished part number 2, the upper plate. For the third part, Omni wheel, it consists of separate parts assembled together. These parts are the bracket, the rubber wheel, pin rod, and finally the locking nut. For that assembly, it will be uploaded in model, but if you wanted to recreate it, I'll share the sketch on this video. For the bracket, these are its dimension. You can pause the video to recreate it. I use sheet metal, then convert solid I made these lines to make the pins. It's easy. For this roller wheel, revolve feature, make revolve, make 2 cuts, 7.5, make another cut here, same 5. You can mirror it. You can use mirror feature and through hole 5, 3, X sketch. This is through hole. For the rod, I also use revolve. This is overall dimension. I make zoom on that part. Then I made extrude cut, hexagonal shape, like that. This part will be uploaded on model. Use it directly. If you want to make it yourself, feel free. And don't forget to make these parts all assembled together. Now our next step is to make assembly for all these parts. Control N or press new. We want to make assembly. First, I'll choose my part, body part here. I want this part to be in its orientation, so I want to make a rotate about x-axis. Insert component, another component. I want to make the cover plate, but first I insert the motor here. Its hole is here. I want to make rotation. No, that orientation. Select mate. I want to select that rod, circular rod, to be concentric with that hole. Now insert it in here. I want to make this face and that face to be parallel. I want to choose a flat surface to make it easier. Mate. I just need to make a flat surface to make it this surface to be parallel to the down plate. For now, I'll add it later, or you can add it yourself. I just need this face to make coincident with that face. This is now for the motor. Insert another component. I'll choose sub-assembly of Omni wheels. I need this orientation, but before that we need to put a bush. I just make a mate between the surface and its inner hole. This bush is not freely. I'll choose this face and that face to make it constant. Now this part these two parts become one body. Choose this hole and that hole to be concentric. Now the hole is placed in the rod. Now I'll use advanced mate to limit distance. I'll choose that face and that face and use limit distance, maximum to be 5 and minimum to be 5. Now the minimum distance is 5 to not make any friction with the body of the robot. For these two parts, we can create a copy with hold control for that assembly, or we can insert another component and make the last steps we made again, or we can use circular pattern to recreate a pattern of these assembled bodies together and its mates. To make that, we want to choose circular pattern. Again, I want to choose this body. Let's hide that body. Choose this circular pattern. Choose again. We want to use this sketch. Make planes. We can use that face directly, equal spacing. Okay. Now we made these 3 wheels in their places. For the last part, we will insert our cover, change its orientation to be that, mate, coincident, the bar stop moving, everything is clear. You can change its appearance by adding some colors, whatever you want, to be blue, red, or whatever you want. For now, second session is done. You can recreate these steps again as your lab task. I'm waiting for that on model after 2 weeks, inshallah.